they have like a pre-assessment before products go online. So somebody was looking at that bag and thinking, yeah, that's an authentic bag. Let's list it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know if you already know this about me, but I love TK Maxx. Well, at least TK Maxx home, right? I love treasure hunting and I found some amazing stuff already, didn't I? I found some amazing stuff though, right, over the past couple of months, and we have so many TK Maxx in London, right? And guys, I noticed recently while I was looking for home decor, I walked past Chanel bags, I walked past Louis Vuitton bags, and I was like, what's happening? How is TK Maxx selling? I mean, we know they sell like leftover Versace you would find at the outlet as well, but Chanel, LV, DIOR. I went to so many shops, I filmed it all, I'm gonna show you now. Let me know what you think, because I'm like, what kind of authenticators do they use? Do they have their own authenticators? So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if wherever you are in the world, if you know, in your TK Maxx or TJ Maxx, if they're selling Chanel suddenly as well. It's definitely new. Guys, I'm currently in TK Maxx and you won't believe what I just saw. I mean, we know that they're selling Bottega, Dolce & Gabbana, Moschino. They're selling pre-loved Chanel in a TK Maxx. What do we think about that? Would you ever dare to buy something here? Because who authenticates these? This is what I mean. So they're selling Bottega here, as you can see. 650 for this shoulder pouch and 725 for this chain pouch. And I'm used to seeing these, obviously, but like I said, I've never really seen TK Maxx sell Chanel. That's new. And look at this, guys. Lanvin. I've never seen this pouch on the website or in store, but hey, you even get the Lanvin bags with it. There we got a little Moschino bag with a cute teddy. More Moschino, and are you ready for this? Look at this. This is from the new, well, from one of the recent collections, Versace. That can't be the price. I don't know where the price is. Can't see it, guys, but gets even better. Pre-loved Fendi, $6.99. I've got no idea about Fendi, like I can't authenticate these, but do they look real to you guys? Let me know. This is interesting for sure. $5.99 for CELINE. I don't know what that is. Gucci, $7.99. Oh wow! This is a modern Gucci bag, £1,000. And look at this, guys. This is another TK Maxx. It seems like they have a pre-loved range now. Cause yeah, that's definitely new. I mean, I know they sold Dolce and Bottega sometimes, but these are pre-loved LV and Gucci bags, so, and Fendi. Yeah, and look at this. We got a tiny little Valentino bag and more Gucci. Oh my god, look at this. These are a lot of Bottega pouches. I can't believe this. How much are they? 9. Okay, it's like almost like in the outlets. If you go to Vista Village, I think they are around the same prices. But look at these gorgeous colors. Can't believe you can buy these bags now at TK Maxx. That's so strange. There we have Versace. They always had Versace bags. Okay, and I've just walked past another TK Maxx. So we got Balenciaga, we got a Gucci, we got a vintage DIOR, more Louis Vuitton. And look at this, guys, they even got a Nano Speedy. Can we believe this? I mean, it does look authentic to me. I mean, give me your opinion. I mean, look at the stitching, look at the details. But nonetheless, I would really like to know how this works. I mean, they must be hiring their own authenticators. If you ask me, look at this, oh my god. Okay, this is totally overpriced. This is a vintage Lady Dior large. Beautiful leather, to be honest, but £1,000 for a bag that's in this kind of condition is a bit extreme. Yeah, let me know what you think. Okay guys, and we got more. There's a vintage Fendi baguette, a large one. We got a teeny tiny little Dior saddle, more Fendi, Burberry, Versace. I mean, yeah, let me know what you think about this. Yeah, I had no idea, to be honest, that TK Maxx selling so many pre-loved bags as well. That's definitely, I think, a recent development. So I also want to talk to you about Vestiaire Collective, because I am appalled by what's going on. We know that other YouTubers have had issues with Vestiaire recently, and I'm gonna link the videos in the description box below. Go and check them out, because, you know. Okay guys, I would say let's get my hair done, and then, oh my god, look at the cherry blossoms everywhere. Well, spring is coming, but I just don't feel it yet because it's so cold and miserable and rainy. But it's beautiful here. Okay, so let's get my hair done and then talk about Vestiaire Collective. And here we are, guys. I'm back home, and I don't know what happened, like I completely forgot to film the clip at the end of my hair appointment. I went home, it's the next day, and I just did my hair and I'm super happy. Like, I don't know why. Long hair just makes me super happy and generally more content. I know it sounds so stupid, but what can I tell you? I'm gonna give you an update on everything soon anyway, and we're gonna go on holiday soon to Tenerife, and I will take you with me. But now I want to talk to you about Vestiaire Collective, because guys, I am absolutely shocked. Like I said, I sold so many bags in my life with Vestiaire. I bought so many bags from them. Even before I started doing YouTube. Like, I'm on YouTube now for 4 years. Can you believe it, how time flies? When I started YouTube, I had a couple bad experiences with Vestiaire. To be honest, wherever we look, right, when it comes to luxury goods, it seems like everything is going downhill. Guys, what I found, I don't know if the people who put this bag online, if they were actually thinking, let's see how far we can get with Vestiaire. I don't know if they just wanted to do this as a joke, because this bag is ridiculous. And they have like a pre-assessment before products go online. So somebody was looking at that bag and thinking, yeah, that's an authentic bag. Let's list it. I looked for Bvlgari bags and I found this listing and I was like, that's quite weird. I've never seen this bag before. So I click on it and I was like, okay, first of all, there is a malachite, in air quotations, because it's not a malachite, but there's a malachite stone missing from the eyes. I've never seen anyone having that issue. I think Bvlgari ensures that its quality is so good that the eyes of the snake glass won't fall out. But yeah, so I was like, this is so weird. This bag looks so fake, so I'm zooming in more and more. Let me get my Bvlgari bag just in comparison. Okay guys, so this is a similar bag. It's not the actual, you know, small top handle Serpenti Forever, but this is the small Serpenti Forever. And so the first thing I noticed was that the glass looks so cheap. And let me try and give you a close-up now. Let's just look at the enamel and the golden lines and how symmetrical everything is. I think it's easy to see quite a difference there, right? But then if you actually look at the malachite eyes, so you can see stripes there, right? And this is just artificially made plastic. I mean, that's what it is. Let's be honest here. So look at how malachite stones, every stone obviously looks different, but because it is, yeah, natural semi-precious stones, you wouldn't find, you wouldn't find lines that look that artificial like on the picture that I've got up. I hope we can see it. If you see a Serpenti bag with malachite eyes that are this extremely artificial looking, it's because they are artificial. And it's not only this bag, which, you know, to me screams fake, but also in general. One of my friends recently sent me a picture of another Bvlgari bag actually, and she was like, oh, Mina, do you think this is a good deal? Should I get it? And I was looking through the Vestiaire pictures and I noticed that it's only the pictures of the Bvlgari bag on the website. So they literally took the pictures and, you know, and I was like, you've got no idea then what you're gonna get sent. If there's not a single picture of the actual product, you know, and they just take pictures from the back of the website, don't do it. Don't do it. You never know what you're gonna get sent. Plus, what we also noticed, because then me and my friend, we started looking into it and we just looked at Louis Vuitton bags and other pieces. Things like a Speedy 25, things like an Alma PM in monogram canvas. What people actually do, they take the pictures from the website for once, and secondly, they go in store and take a picture. You can see that it's the Louis Vuitton store. They take a picture of the bag in store and list it on Vestiaire. And if you're unlucky like I was, in my old video where I bought an Alma, I think they took pictures from a Japanese reseller because they have amazing pieces, obviously very well looked after, and you know, you can find, I can't wait to go back to Japan because their pre-loved market is the best. But they basically take pictures from pre-loved shops as well and put it online, and then they sent me an Alma that honestly looked like a car had rolled over it. And so, you know, Vestiaire is such a risk nowadays, and I just want to tell you, beware, be warned. I don't know how willing you are to risk anything, but the things that they put online nowadays that have been pre-assessed. This is my little addition to the Vestiaire drama that's been going on recently, just because I was scrolling through and I was like, this can't be it, like what is happening? So yeah. Okay guys, that's it. I think that was everything I wanted to tell you. Yes, I'm gonna show you my dress now in case you're interested. I mean guys, I have a couple more Serpenti bags, right? So I thought, let's have a closer look at those eyes. You can really see that it's a natural occurring stone. And whatever that bag is, whatever that clasp is that they put on Vestiaire, it's clearly plastic. Yeah, what can I say? I love this dress, and I love my hair. Long hair it is. I had such long hair when I was in my 20s, in my early 20s. I had thick, healthy, long hair. But yeah, not gonna happen anymore, actually, at my age. So yeah, we need a little bit of help, right? But yeah, I love this dress. And I love my hair, and I'm super happy. And got a new MAC lipstick. It's called Diva. So yeah guys, that's it. I see you soon. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And yeah guys, I love you, and I see you very, very soon. Bye!